Hey guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here to talk about the Merlin E960M remote control. The E960M remote control has 4 buttons, which means you can program it into 4 different garage door or gate openers. The Merlin E960M is compatible with both Security Plus and Security Plus 2.0 openers. This means it replaces the older E945M and C945M remote controls. The E960M comes with a full 12-month warranty, which covers it from failure due to manufacturer fault. To see the full list of compatible garage door openers and gate openers this remote control is compatible with, head on over to our website. We list all compatible garage door openers in our listing description. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about the Merlin E960M remote control, head on over to our website. You can send us an email or give us a call. See you next video.